Hello, Mom and Sir. My name is Casey Iris. You can call me GC for short. And I am 37 years old, blessed with one kid, and age 6 years old. My height is 150 centimeter and my weight is 47 kilograms. I am high school graduate and I have work experience in Saudi Arabia for 4 years and I also work in Jordan for 3 years. I can take care of baby, kids, pets, cleaning, ironing, cooking food, and some Arabic food. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and I can follow recipe given by my employer. I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family needs and I promise I will do my best to finish my contract. Please hire me as your helper. I am kind, honest, and easy to follow instructions. Thank you and have a nice day, Mom and